Before the car gets to the dealership, I just went on Tire Rack and got myself a set of wheels and tires for winter time. I'm not getting a dedicated snow tire. I'm just getting a Continental all-season extreme contact. And the wheels I'm going with is a set of Motegi 17x7. And I'm also going to get a spare tire, 135/80 by 16 inch. This size is actually the OEM spare tire in the last generation of BRZ, but it fits for the GR86. Then I went on to ToyotaPartsDeal.com and ordered myself a wheel, scissors jack, wrench, and a bunch of tools that I need to have a proper spare tire set up in my trunk. I'll leave the part numbers in the description below. And I also went ahead and got myself a valve stamp for the spare wheel. This is the valve stamp. Cost me $3. Now, this is the owner's manual for the GR86. I just downloaded from Toyota's website. I'm not going to go through it, but it tells you that they want you to do this and that if you get a flat tire. This is the picture of the trunk. It clearly shows that there's no spare wheel or tire, no scissors jack, and this is that stupid inflator sealant kit. I'm not doing this. Call me old school or whatever, but I'd rather have an actual spare wheel and tire in my trunk than this kit. Plus, this kit has an expiration date. They don't last forever. And also, if you think about it, if you get a blowout, this stuff's not going to help you. Just came home and these were at my front doorstep. This box inside there must be the spare wheel. And then these four Continental 215, 45, 17 inch. And this is the spare tire. Everything's unboxed. Spare wheel. So I just called a local tire shop and I'm going to right now take the donut and the wheel and they're going to mount it for me. $11 later. Now I got a spare donut in the trunk for the GR86. So this gives me peace of mind. Just so I know, this spare donut, wheel, and tire weighs 24 pounds. And the aftermarket wheel and Continental tire and wheel weighs 37 pounds. The rest of the hardware finally came. The jack handle, the wrench, the center tie-down bolt, and the wheel holder. Now that I have everything, I'm just waiting for the car to show up. Now, my sales guy called a couple days ago, said that the car has arrived stateside, meaning off the vessel, he said. So, any day now, he could be calling me. I'll see you guys when I go pick up the car.